Good morning, students. Now discuss complex numbers. What do you mean by the complex number? Suppose find the square root of 4 is 2. But if find the square root of minus 2. In case of in a square root is negative sign, this is imaginary value. What do you mean by the imaginary value? This first known formula is root of minus 1 is I. I is the iota. I means iota. Squaring both sides. Minus 1 equals to I square. This is one addition. I square equals to minus 1. Again square. Again squaring is I raised to the power of 4. That means I square is minus 1. I raised to 4 is 1. Next is if find the value of 1 upon I. 1 upon I means 1 upon I multiplied by I upon I. Because surds cannot be given in denominators. That means I square is minus 1. Therefore, this is minus. This is the relation 1 upon I equals to minus I. Is it clear? Okay. Now discuss some points. For example, first example, if 4x plus I 3x minus y equals to 3 plus I minus 6. Find the value of x and y. In the case of x and y, this very important point, if any number is related with I plus b, this a is the real part is related to I, and b is the imaginary part. Imaginary part is I. Real part is equal to the real part. That means 4x equals to 3, x equals to 3 by 4. Imaginary part is equals to imaginary part. 3x minus 1, this is y equals to 3x plus 6. 3 by 4 plus 6. 9, 24 upon 4, 33 upon 4. Is it clear? Now discuss the algebra of complex number. Algebra of complex number. First is addition. What do you mean by addition? Let first complex number is a1 plus ib1. Next complex number is a2 plus ib2. If find the sum of these two numbers, simply real is added to real. Real is added to real. Imaginary is added to imaginary. Next, subtraction. Subtraction is the same way. Real minus real. Imaginary minus imaginary. Now third is multiplication. In multiplication, Z1 multiplied by Z2, that means in this way, simple, first multiple, open, this is A1, A2, I, A1, B2, I, A2, B1, I square, B1, B2. What is the value of I square? I square is minus 1. That means A1, A2, real in a bracket B1, B2. I square की वैल्यू minus 1 हो गई. इन दोनों में से माइनस कॉमन निकाल लीजिए. A1, B2 plus A2, B1. Now, fourth algebra is division. In case of division, Z1 upon Z2, A1 plus IB1, A2 plus IB2. In this case, इसको रेशनलाइज कर दीजिए. क्या होगा रेशनलाइजेशन से? इन अ न्यूमरेटर सिंपल मल्टीप्लिकेशन, A1 A2, A1 B2, A2 B1 minus I square B1 B2. In denominator, A2 square I square B2 square. This is A1 A2 plus B1 B2. I square के प्लेस पर minus 1 plus I is common. A2 B1 minus A1 B2 whole divided by A2 square plus B2 square. But this is not the correct answer. Answer in the form of real and imaginary are separated. A1 A2 B1 B2 A2 square plus B2 square I. A2 B1 A1 B2 upon A2 square plus B2 square. Is it clear? Now discuss one very important point. If complex number is 3 plus 4i, if multiply this number by its conjugate, that means 3 plus 4i multiplied by 3 minus i. This is written as 3 square minus 4i whole square, 9 minus 16i square, 9 plus 16, 25. In other way, learn this point, a plus ib multiplied by a minus ib. Always result is a square plus b square. Next, if complex number z equals to a plus I. Now discuss a point, modulus. Modulus. Modulus means modulus of z. So easy, square of real part, square of imaginary part. This is real part square and imaginary part square. Imaginary part means only b square. Okay, next case is conjugate. Conjugate of z means z bar. Conjugate means real part as it is imaginary part का symbol change कर. That means real part I of imaginary part. This is conjugate. Third point is reciprocal. Reciprocal of z is 1 upon z. 1 upon z means 1 upon a plus ib. Simply this is rationalize a minus ib, a minus ib means a minus ib, a square plus b square, a upon a square plus b square, I upon a square plus b square. Is it clear? Now 4-point multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse. Other name of multiplicative inverse is reciprocal. Check this one. Answer of multiplicative inverse is conjugate of z modulus z whole square. Conjugate of z is a minus ib. Modulus of z whole square means a square plus b square. इसको आप अलग कर दीजिए और चेक करिए. These two are same. Is it clear?